This is going to be the easiest video. I'm going to make it 2 minutes long. What is going on, Trader Studio? Welcome back to another video. As you can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to make this a super quick, simple video on this strategy. You're going to go right before market open. My time is 8:30 Central Time, 8:30 a.m. Central Time. You're going to mark off your support and resistance zones. So right here, this is right before the market open. I'm marking this off. You see resistance to the far left, price is right here, and then we do have this support right here. So now all we're going to do, once price breaks one of these, it's just a simple breakout trade. If you're brand new, that's what this is, simple breakout trade. And then what you're going to do is target these pivot points. This is an indicator. If you go here and you take a look at my indicators here, we've got pivot points. You'll want to turn this on. Here are all the inputs, basically classic daily. And then these the only thing I changed is these two. And then that's it. Number of pivots back is how many days you want it to go back. And then once we go to replay mode, once either one of these break, we take the trade. Next pivot point or next candle, boom, broke his previous high. We are in this trade. Let's see what happens. We took a loss. We're out of that trade. Let's move on to the next one. Break a candle, boom. And then you can enjoy your take profit. This obviously doesn't happen every single day. If you're new to trading, you are going to lose. This is replay mode. Of course, this is going to be a great video because it's replay mode. I always like to put that disclaimer in there. And yeah, it's not always going to work, but this is something that can make you successful because as you can see here, you did take a loss, but your stop loss is so tight, it's just under the support. Well, once resistance and then it becomes support, but then your winner is so big. So that's why it's important not to over leverage like crazy. And then also, once you do win, it can make up for your loss if you do happen to take a loss. Thank you so much for watching another Trader Studio video. See you next time.